Rules for writing chemical equations. Write down the word equation. Replace the substances by symbols and formulae, making sure that they are correct. Count the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. Equalize the number of atoms of each element occurring on both sides of the equation by putting in whole number factors in front of the symbols or formulae. The physical state of each reactant and products are written in brackets after the formulae or symbol where possible. Down the chemical equation for the formation of water. We shall begin by writing the word equation. So we have hydrogen plus oxygen to give water. So what is the next step? We have to write the symbols of these elements and the formula of the compound. What's the symbol of hydrogen? Hydrogen is H2 plus oxygen O2 to give us water, H2O. So the next thing, we have to count the number of atoms on both sides of the equation. So I have 2 atoms of hydrogen here, 2 atoms of hydrogen. So hydrogen is okay so far. Look at oxygen. Oxygen, we have 2 atoms here, we have just 1 atom of oxygen. So we'll go to where there is less and we increase it. So using whole numbers. So we can put 2 there. After inserting 2, I have to start all over and count again. I have 2 atoms of hydrogen here. I have 4 atoms of hydrogen this way. So I put 2. I start all over again. 2 hydrogen, I have 4 hydrogen atoms here. I have 4 hydrogen atoms. 2 oxygen atoms here. I have 2 oxygen atoms. Therefore the equation is balanced. So the next step is to include the states of the reactants and products. So hydrogen here is a gas, oxygen is a gas, and water is a liquid. Another example. Write the chemical equation for the burning of carbon to produce carbon dioxide. You start with the word equation. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. The next thing to do is to write the correct symbols of these elements and the formula of the compound. So carbon, C. Oxygen is diatomic, O2. Carbon dioxide, CO2. We now count the number of atoms on both sides of the equation. So 1 atom of carbon, 1 atom of carbon. 2 atoms of oxygen, 2 atoms of oxygen. This equation is balanced. I now include the states. So carbon is a solid, oxygen is a gas, CO2 is a gas. So we are going to look at how chemical equations can be balanced.